Alright, check out this construction zone. So North Carolina has decided that they are going to 4-lane North Carolina 28 and North Carolina 143 into Robbinsville. So it starts here, and look at all the equipment over there. But watch how much equipment we pass from here all the way up the mountain. I don't think I have ever seen a construction zone with so much equipment in my entire life riding motorcycles around the world. And I know we just turned on, but the amount of equipment we're about to go by is almost nothing compared to what's down North Carolina 28 where we turned. So they want to make this 4-lane all the way across the mountain and into Robbinsville. I'm hoping they do 4-lane from Robbinsville down US 129 to US 74. But here's where the equipment starts. Look at all this equipment, I'm telling you. Skid steers. Look at the excavators. Look at the excavators. There's 1 bulldozer, 6 excavators. There's our second skid steer. Another excavator. And most of this equipment looks like it's brand new. I would love to drive any one of these pieces of equipment. There's another excavator. Wait till you see what's up this mountain. Just hang on, hold my beer and watch this. It's almost a shame that this is going to turn into a 4-lane highway. There's a hiking trail up here on the left. This road is so beautiful. I think they would have done better if they would have added passing zones. But I'm assuming, I don't know for sure, but I'm assuming they're 4-laning it. And that seems about right. This is Graham County. If you know anything about North Carolina, Graham County's where the movie Nell was shot. It's probably the most inbred county in North Carolina as well. If you want to ever think about people being stupid, the locals from Graham County, just an ignorant bunch. Yeah, woo, wow, dumb. Go Black Knights, bunch of morons. But there you go, backhoe. Here's a crane. Check out this thing. Check out this thing. This thing stamps the concrete into the mountain wall, and that's kind of cool. Over here on the left, I think, is where they have their offices and whatnot. It's gonna be kind of cool when they're done with it, but it's a shame that they've just kind of destroyed this area. There's some more equipment. I would love to have one of those Caterpillar 299s. Man, that 299 makes my little Caterpillar just look like it's nothing. I'd like to have that little Caterpillar track hoe there too. We got another dozer, a great big excavator. I feel bad for the people in that house. I kind of feel bad for the people in all these houses, right? Because if this is 4-laned, it's going to go from this peaceful 2-lane road, which not a lot of cars travel this road, but once they 4-line it, it's going to turn into a major raceway. Everybody's going to be flying up and down this road. Here we got another excavator. I wanted to say yesterday there was an excavator up on that mountain somewhere. I thought I had seen one up there. Great big dump truck. There's a ginormous excavator up there on top of that mountainside. Another excavator, compactor, bulldozer. There is so much equipment here. So much equipment. Wheel loader, cool crane. And if they do this project like they do the rest of the road projects in North Carolina, this won't be done for another 10 or 12 years. They don't do anything fast here. And from what I understand, on the weekdays, it could take you a half hour to 45 minutes just to get down this road. They have so many stoplights, and where the typical stoplight for traffic is usually set for about 3 minutes in these construction zones, I've heard people say that they've sat for 10 to 15 minutes waiting for the light to change. All this rock came from the quarry in Murphy off 294. The cool Kubota. I'd like to have that Kubota also. With all the equipment they have out here and all the money they're getting paid to put this road in, you would think they'd actually bring a crew out and knock this thing out extremely quick so they could start on the next road project. But I guess it doesn't happen that way. Stretch it out as long as you can so you can build a state for as much money as you can possibly get. Yeah, if they 4-lane this, man, these people will be flying 80 mile an hour down this road all day long, all day, all night. The one good thing about North Carolina is if it's a 4-lane road, you know to expect a trooper. Some more excavators. There are no shortage of excavators on this road. There's no shortage. Look, another 2 excavators, dozer. Let me tell you, if you ever get the opportunity to drive a bulldozer, you need to do it.